Well, my comment is Yolanda's doing a very great job because during and after I sent out a blast message just asking if they, understand everything, and no questions have come back yet. So I guess everything is understood.
Thank you, because my students was like, one of them actually been doing taxes for 10 years, had her own establishment, and she said she was just lost at how much information she didn't really know, but she thought she knew. So I have like a possible 4 EAs going in the next class. Our team is being given 1,000% of information to make them better than what they came to us. So a lot of people is paying $700-800 for this information, and they're not even giving what everybody over here is getting.